draw this adorable walrus? If so, you are going to need something to draw on, something to draw with, something to erase any mistakes that you might make, and a marker to outline your doodle when you are done. And don't forget the crayons, the markers, the colored pencils, or the paint so you can add some color to your wonderful doodle. Grab all those supplies and let's get started. Are you ready to learn how to draw a walrus? I love seeing all of the animals when I go to the zoo, but the walruses are so funny, the way that they play, and they always seem to just be having so much fun. So I can't wait to doodle one with you. So we're going to make our paper vertical, which means it is skinny here, but it is tall here. And the first thing we're going to do is we are going to draw a kind of a very rounded triangle shape for a walrus's nose. Super easy. Right in about the middle of my paper. Now I'm going to do the funny part. I'm going to come straight down from the middle of his nose, about an inch. And then I'm going to go to the sides here, and I'm going to make curved lines that kind of look like a little baby tushy. Now I'm going to go to the top, right up above my nose, and I'm going to curve down in a little bit and out to meet up with that line that I made. And I'm going to go in and add in his eyes so you know where his face is. So we know as we're drawing what we need to try to keep in a certain spot so we know how to line it up. So this is kind of like the indent by his eye, and this is like a cheek. So I'm going to go to the other side and I'm going to kind of do the same thing. I'm going to curve down in a little bit and then out for his body. So I'm going to come way out and around. How fun. I'm going to go underneath here and I'm going to give him his little tusks. They're not so little, are they? Give my walrus his little tusks. All right, now I'm going to come back up here where I ended this line, and I'm going to go ahead and make a curved, rounded shape here. Kind of looks like an upside down shark fin. And that's going to be his front flipper. And then I'm going to match this line, make a little curve here for where he's kind of resting on maybe a rock or some ice. And I'm going to do that same shape over here, just one of those rounded shark fin. So he's got his two front flippers. And then I'm going to go up here and I'm going to curve down, in, and out a little bit. Look at him. Now I'm going to match this line. So I'm going to imagine I'm going through his flipper here. And I'm going to come over here and draw around and up. So we see our little walrus. Is that the noise they make? Now I'm going to give him a couple whiskers, because walruses and seals, they all have those big whiskers. They just look like they're so fun. You just want to snuggle them. But I'm sure that they're not snuggleable animals. Now I'm going to go in and add in couple little lines over here on the side, so it looks like he's resting on something. I'm grounding him to something. And I'm going to go ahead, kind of curve around here and add in some little wiggles. And this could be a rock, or it could be an ice, maybe like a big iceberg. All right, so I've got my little walrus doodled. All right, so grab those markers, crayons, colored pencils, or paint, and let's add some color to this adorable little walrus. Look at how cute my little walrus turned out. Absolute fun. I mixed some gray and some brown to get his little color. And then I decided to make this an iceberg. So I added a little bit of blue where he was and just a little bit over here on the side. And then I left the rest white. I hope that you had fun doodling with me today. If so, like, subscribe, and share the video. And I cannot wait to see you again next time. Goodbye.